Hi, my name is Tyson Burgos, and I'm your child's accounting teacher. This is my seventh year teaching here at Lake Brantley High School. Currently, I have a grad and undergrad degree in accounting, and I also have 20 years of accounting experience ranging from public and private to mom and pop and publicly traded companies. This year, your child will be learning in my accounting class how to understand um, accounting and the business relationships that it has out there, the use of accounting documents to analyze financial data. They're going to also analyze business transactions, how to journalize those business transactions in the accounting world, how to post those entries, correct them, how to prepare financial statements, and journalize any other transactions. They'll also learn about reconciling bank accounts. We'll also take into consideration learning how businesses affect our everyday life, and we'll use a lot of real world examples. Students will then take these concepts that they learned during the year, they'll apply it to a culminating project at the end of the year by playing a game of Monopoly. During the game of Monopoly, they'll actually take and learn how to record their income, record their expenses, properly classify them. After they classify them, then they will take those and create their own financial statements. Once they create their own financial statements, they'll then put this into a PowerPoint presentation in which they'll then present that to me. That's going to be done in the fourth quarter, and that fourth quarter that will be part of their grade as well as part of the NAF that we have to do. NAF is our National Academy Foundation. It's a curriculum that we end up going through. Basically, it's a reiteration and a reinforcement of the accounting concepts learned throughout the year. This also helps the students to um, be able to communicate and be able to use these concepts later on in the future for networking purposes, both in the classroom and outside of the classroom. Um, I look forward to an enjoyable year with your child and hope the student enjoys the class. Should you have any questions, you can contact me via email at Tyson, Tyson underscore Burgos, Burgos at scps.k12.fl.us, or you can reach me by phone at 407 746 3527. Thank you.